When the light of frequency 2V0, where V0 is threshold frequency, is incident on a metal plate, the maximum velocity of electrons emitted is V1. When the frequency of the incident radiation is increased to 5 mu0, the maximum velocity of electrons emitted from the same plate is V2. The ratio of V1 to V2 is, so from photoelectric equation we have H mu is equals to H mu naught plus half mv square. Two H mu naught is equals to H mu naught plus half m v1 square. So we get half m v1 square is equals to h mu naught. Similarly, half mv2 square would be equal to 4h mu naught. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. By comparing these two equations, we get v1 square by v2 square is equals to 1 by 4. So the ratio of v1 to v2 is 1 by 2. So option number 1 would be the correct option. Yes, option number 1 is the right answer.